My name is Lindsay Fox. I have been involved with Puppy Jake for about 3 years now. I am a foster trainer of service dogs here for the Puppy Jake Foundation.
Hi, my name is Zac Fox. I have been involved with the Puppy Jake Foundation by proxy through my wife. Loved fostering, loved being able to give back to a community that I was part of, being a veteran myself. I was an airborne infantryman. I did multiple combat tours and 2 peacekeeping missions. You can assume the worst. It changes like how you see humanity. I was back for about 2 years before I realized, man, I was like, there's something going on. I wanted to tell people my experience, but at the same time, I knew they couldn't relate. It's like suck it up and drive on. That's kind of like the mantra. When in reality, it takes much more courage to ask for help.
I met Zac after he was done with deployments. He put on a good face and he seemed okay at first, but then the longer we were dating and then we got engaged and got married, and I realized that veterans have a lot of problems that they don't talk about, especially to people that aren't in the military. For a long time, I had to go everywhere with Zac, which is why Puppy Jake became such a passion project. Well, we got Colonel in February of 2020. We trained Colonel for about 2.5 years. They were a natural pairing. I've seen such an impact in Zac's life. I don't have to go everywhere with him anymore. But having a service dog is not only life-changing for a veteran, but it's life-changing for a family as well. Well, we appreciate community partners like Karl Chevrolet because we get to concentrate on training the dogs and helping the veterans. Not having to fundraise and having our community partners handle that, it takes an infinite amount of stress off of us and lets us do what we're good at. It's bonkers how expensive it is to train a service dog, but they're elite dogs.
They are dogs, but they are essentially medical equipment.
So it takes between 2 and 2.5 years to train a service dog, so it's a lot of time and a lot of money. If you're a veteran and you're struggling in any way, we really do encourage you to reach out. Leave it to us to know the law and what's appropriate and what you might need too. Someone might not necessarily need a service dog, and we do help with other things as well. We're here to help.